Recording in progress. All right, guys. I want to say special thank you to everyone for making me reach 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you. The work don't stop there. I mean, in fact, the work just begin. So stay tuned. Crazy stuff coming your way. All right. So we're gonna look at factorization, the entire page of it. Big up Cheyenne. You can't get what that book here ever. This book is really important to me right now. So big up yourself for allowing me to use the book on me. I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? All right. So guys, I'm not sure if you're seeing properly, but I want you guys to try the questions and then we can compare answers. So the first one says 4y squared minus z squared. I think I did this on my channel already. I've done so many questions. It's like, when I see questions, it's like, oh my, I did this already, you know, but I actually did it already. So 4y squared minus z squared, if you look at them closely, you see that it's a difference of 2 squared. All we have to do is find the square root of 4y squared and the square root of z squared. Now, which number we can multiply by itself and it gives us 4y squared. It has to be 2y, right? So it's like you're finding the square root. So it would be 2y plus, and then up 2y again. So what's the square root of z square? It would be z. Z times z give you z squared. So the answer would be 2y plus z and 2y minus z. Again, this one looks very familiar. 2ax minus 2a minus 3x plus by. So it's set up nicely for us already. So we can see that a is common here and a is common there, right? So 2 is also common. So guys, it's very important we take out the highest common factor. So the highest common factor would be right here. A is common here and a is common. So it will be 2a, and then we just divide. That will be x, into that be minus y. All right, here now, you can just put a bracket to kind of guide you. B is common, B is the only letter common, so we write back minus B, and that will leave x. Negative into positive gives us negative, so it gives you x, y. So the final answer would be xy, that's in the bracket, and 2a minus b. All right, let's go over on. Actually doing it, actually numbered weird, so all of these are number 1. All right, so it's 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. So first, we have to examine if we can use the factor method. So 3 times 8 is negative 24. All right, so we list all the factors of 24, and so which one of them can give us positive 10. So it's 1 times 24, 2 times 10, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So from this, we can determine which one of them should be 2 times 12. Oh, Jesus. This will be 2 times 12. So from this, we can examine which of these can give us positive 10x. And that will be 12 minus 2. Very important, this sign tells us which one of them should be positive and which one should be negative. All right, guys, make sure you don't make an error in the mistake. So now we're going to replace 10x with, so it's 3x squared. We're going to replace 10x with 12x minus 2 because the value is the same, right? The bracket. All right, take out the highest common factor of 3 and 12, and that will be 3. X is common to both, so we put x there, and then we say 3x into 3x squared, that will leave x, 3 into that leave 4. On to the next bracket where we have negative 2x minus 8. So put the negative, and then we say what's the highest number? That can go into 2 and 8, and that will be 2. There's no x common, so that will leave x. 2 into negative 8 leave positive 4. Space is a bit small, so it's 3x squared minus 3x minus 2 and x plus 4. And there you go, that is the answer. On to the number 2s now. So the first one says 5x squared minus 20. So we can just take out the 5, and that's common, right? And that will leave 5x into that will leave x squared minus 4. But we're not finished. This is a difference of 2 squares, so we can just factorize this also. So this would be x plus 2 and x minus 2. For the persons who are not getting this, it's on the channel, so go and check it out, alright? Alright, on to this one again now. Almost the same as that one up here. Alright, what's common? We see A is common in this. Let's check this out now. B is common right here. So we can just take out the A. So A into that would leave 2x. A into this would leave 3y. Make sure you are trying now, guys. Minus. Alright, take out the B. B into this leave 2x. See and 2x there. And negative into that leave positive 3y. Guys, once you get this and this to be the same, you're on the right track. So it's 2x plus 3y and A minus B. I'm not sure how you guys seeing, if you are seeing clearly. I hope you are seeing clearly. Remember, it's not really my book, but I'm a student gave it to me yesterday. Not to take. All right, so 3x squared minus, with using ABC method. So it's 3x squared times that will give us negative 45. So it is all the factors of 45. And so which one of them can give us 4? So it's 1 times 45, 3 times 15, and 9, 4 times 9. So from that, we can see it's 4 and 9, right? So we're going to replace 4x with 9x minus 5x minus 15. And then we take out the highest common factor. It will be 3x. 3x into that leave x. 9x divided by 3 gives us positive 3. So let's take out the negative 5. So it's x plus 3. So it's x plus 3 and 3x minus 5. And that is our answer. Alright, on to this one now. And I absolutely love this one, alright? This one is a little bit different. So we can take out what's common. X is common right here. And y. So we take out xy. So x into x leave nothing. Y into that leave y squared. Plus x into x leave x. So we got our x here and no y. So this would be our answer. Very nice question indeed. Alright, let's just look at this one. 2mh minus 2nh minus 3mk plus, you know what I'm gonna use the pen. I'm not sure if you guys see it. Print now, alright. Alright, so let's see what's common right here. You see h common right here. Let's just look further if we see anything common in this. K, 3k common here. Alright, so you can take out 2h right here. So it's 2h. That would leave m. M into this would leave 2h into this would leave n. Alright, so 3 is common right here, so we put minus 3, and k is common also, so we take out 3k. So 3k into this would leave m, and n, this would leave minus n. So there we go, m minus n, and 2h minus 3k. And that would be our answer. Let us look at this one now. It says 2n squared minus 3n minus 20. So when we multiply, we can get what? Negative 40n squared. We can list all the factors of 40. 2 times 20, 1 times 40 also. 4 times 10, 5 times 8. I think that will be it. So we're gonna look and see which one of them can give us negative 3. Well, first of all, it will be 8 and 5, but this negative tells us which one should be negative. The bigger one, right? So this is negative 8. So it's 2n squared minus 8n plus 5n minus 20. With our bracket, and then we can factorize. So we take out the highest common factor, which is 2n. That leave n minus 4. We go the plus 5 right here. Only n is not common, so 5 into that leave n. 5 into that leave minus 4. So it's n minus 4 and 2n plus 5. And that would be our answer. Let us look at this one. I did this one on my channel before. So it's 25m squared minus 1. So we just find the square root of 25m squared, which is 5m, and the square root of 1, which is 1. I've done this on my channel several times. All right, let us look at this one now. This one is a little bit different. So it says 4x squared, dot. So let us take out what's common, right? So 4x is common right here, because we can get 4 and 8 out of 8. All right. So 4x, let me just check this one, y and y, yeah. Sometimes I have to group them, but CSEC have been so nice, they have been grouping them for you guys. So this would leave x plus that into that leave 2y, all right, minus y common right here, right? See, it's only y. All right, so this would leave x negative into that leave positive 2y. So we get x plus 2y and 4x minus y, and that would be our answer. Let us look at this one now. It says 2x squared minus 3x plus. Oh, this is similar to one we did up here. Different years now, guys, so it's gonna look weird sometimes, like it's the same thing, as it's a different year. So 2x squared times, oh, this is already in group for you, so you can just put your bracket and factorize. So what's common here? X, because 2 cannot go into 3. That will leave 2x minus 3. The plus, whatever sign there here, guys, make sure you put it back. What is highest amount can go into 4 and 12, that will be 4. 4 into 8x goes 2x, 4 into that goes minus 3. So we're left with 2x minus 3 and x plus 4. Each year they set different questions, so they can be tricky sometimes. All right, this one also is being done on my channel before. X squared minus 16. Find the square root of x squared, which is x. 1 gonna be plus and 1 minus. The square root of 16 is 4. So x plus 4 and x minus 4, difference of 2 squared. Let us look at this one. We have ax plus ay plus bx plus by. So we can just look. It's set up nicely. Let us see what's common. A is common right here. Let's just check what's common. B is common there. So we can just go ahead and take out what's common. So A would be common. So take out A. A into ax leave x. A into ay leave y. So let's move to the next one. B is common to both. So plus B, that leave x plus y. So it's x plus y and a plus b. Simple as that. Let us look at this one. We have x squared, last one on this page, we have x squared minus 6x minus 27. So the first thing we do, we multiply x times that, so we get negative 27x squared, right? All right, here, so we should have written the question name. That makes more sense. And don't spoil it. Then type them out there. So It's all the factors of 27. 1 times 27, 3 times 9. This is very easy. The only factor is that. So it will be x squared minus 9x, because the 9, this is a negative, so the bigger one must be negative. 3x minus 27. Put our bracket. So x is common right here. So we take out the x into that, leave x minus 9. Put the positive. So what's the isomer? I'm going to 3 and 27. Without a remainder, that will be 3. So this is x plus x minus 9 rather. All right, minus and that's a plus. All right, so we go ahead and say x minus 9 and x plus 3. And that will be our answer. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, guys, continue to watch, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out. No doubt.